Hi folks and welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I show you how to turn off or restart the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9FE. Pressing the power button will open Google Assistant. To turn off the tablet you have to press the power button and volume down at the same time, which is very annoying. But luckily there is another solution to turn off or restart the tablet. Pull down the notification bar twice, and you will find the turn off button on the right side. Tap on it to open the menu. The turn off menu will appear. If you want to change the function of the power button, press on the side button settings. Tick the power off menu. Now the power button will turn off the tablet. Press 2 or 3 seconds the power button, and the power off menu will appear. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day.